Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ke Pule nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Na banta ke Pule ka jingseo ka baret but pila ban legu ban Pule da ka education loan. Pila ru ban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, ar riu kandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikin kuit bah benar kam daka Oswell su hila banyo na barok kidukan
Ka office jong district school education officer West Khasi Hills district haringkat kecing trai lang bat ka office jong district mission coordinator SSA West Khasi Hills district hakakat sautrik jemang arjar arpulai kilayo ban pelong ya ke program Jan Bhagidari events halor kapang ensuring foundation literacy and numeracy especially in blended learning. Hak program bala pelong Havanis Hall, St. Peter's Pendengrai Nongston. Hak tegesngi additional deputy commissioner ke West Khasi Hills district ikong di bala ilalong kongsan haringkat ke jingadan lang jong joint director of school education and literacy and district mission coordinator SSA West Khasi Hills district ikong R Kongwang district school education officer West Khasi Hills district ikong LCM Lia. Kui pat kinong tre sarkar kinong hikai bat ki Khynnah school. Laong Jan Bhagidari ka penyo ha kinong hikai bat ki Khynnah Pule ya Rynsan Ïatai Ïasam Jingmut kadai ban pensotanat ki Khynnah Pule bat kemde bandan kono ke jingting ne jing artatien hak Pule puthi ke baman kasngi ka jongki bat ki Khynnah kin tepru bakamde ke ban syukut tang ha ka ban Pule tang ki kot handai bagi Khynnah ru kinyo kalat ban peni ya ki sap ki phong per kan pinduna ya ke jingpep school shiteng pol jong ki Khynnah hakani kesngi kala don ru ke jinga ko hak recitation but teaching learning material competition ya ke jinga ko recitation la phya hak arbenta kata hak tien khasi bat hak tien phareng hak ba banlam kupar marthong na langja government LP school ula job ya first prize hak tien khasi bat hak tien phareng u me bantai lingdo penlang na wisdom LP school paryong ula job ya first prize kat ba hak teaching learning materials competition Kamairang Vidya Jyoti Inclusive School kala job your first prize.
Padang idol kata ke jingkwa bat kata ke curiosity kung bagi hong apor bangidang kat bangidang he ngindang long curious saya kiwe pada ke jingkai kiba dang ni syakmat. Menta hakane ke jong ni menta kibun kirukom kilat kilinti kibangin yo ya kijinglang jing start ndai atang hapo classroom ndai the basic foundation is very important so this ngakantuyo baro kini ginohikan bakin kin snoto how important they are in the lives of the children because only with your teaching the children will be able to understand the value that we call education. Only through your learning, your enthusiasm and your participation will we be able to ensure that these children do not drop out from school, ensure that they will learn not only the learning from school, but they will also be encouraged to learn from other mediums of education. Right now we have so many technology, right from the electronic as well as the print media, and now we have internet and mobile phones. So therefore, those also should be encouraged to be used as a medium of learning for our children now as well as in the future. I would also like to thank the district education department for holding this program of Jan Bhagidari, which is in itself means the people's participation in the educational field. So therefore, when we all teach our children, we also teach ourselves. That is what we generally learn. We generally learn by teaching. So therefore, for the teachers who are second parents to these children, your teaching and how you grow up, how you groom these children are very important. So therefore, I wish you all the very best We will take from this learning experience that we have today to participate in a fun learning experience for the children.
So if LN is not working anymore, if English is much more like, given importance. And both of us together, we can say, thank you.
Kelas 3 kakertem jong poetry bangan ong happy mentah kakertem karai balat hauda imes el sanglir karai ngapet syatai bun sing ngadap dajing kuslai berteba ai eda uplay kenjat napang klemjing islay Kiklau babun lasel lenut kimrat kikang bat kiaut haji ngamurit ngaju berkat jingbha mariam balai betat ngan sim jingkit klik halade sumariaka swajim babe watla iken narit ngalong karangan sim rambak ngalong bless God. The point that I am going to recite today is about what we can do when we see litter in the streets and the air smells of pollution. When we feel like it's all piling up, remember there is a solution. There's something each of us can do to keep the rivers clean, to keep fresh the air we breathe, and keep the forest green. Help clean a beach or recycle bottles and cans. Learn about the problems we face and help others understand. It doesn't have to be a lot if we each just do our share. So take time out on Earth Day to show the earth we care. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhagidari. Ini yang hantu bayu jane, bayu shamane. Ini di shamil. Kapan belum lagi hari kita berlader insana seperti price seperti itu. Hari ini satu belum teknik pada price jenai. Yang ini nomor tak.
Because of a successful event today, let's raise our hand like this. Right hand, put your hand to the left shoulder and tap 2 times. Please say, when to become popular. Why? Because this kind of events have been organized and held all over the country, right from the national level to the state level and up to down to the school level, to create the awareness and generate a sense of pride among students, and that some schools from our district also are attending this program. So I would like to stand here and say thank you so much for organizing this event. And I would say that we may have many questions like what are the wants, the house, and where.
Lanja SB School. Grateful boy, good boy. Pule, Pule, tak dijam sih. Congratulations and thank you. The certificate of the trophy and the school jumpy. Khynnah. Congratulations, ya ka Mayran Vidya Jyoti inclusive.